Hello everybody, I'm Alessia Paccagnini and I'm Academic Director of a Master in Quantitative Finance. Welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to give you all information about this master, and I hope at the end of this presentation you will decide to join us in this fantastic program. So I don't say because I'm the director, but this master is a best master that you can find at UCD Smurfit Graduate Business School. In this master, I'm an academic director, but I'm also professor of financial econometrics. So we will see me during that course, during that module. If you're curious about myself, what I do in terms of teaching and research, you can consult my website and my social media accounts. Usually, I teach econometrics. I love teaching econometrics, and I do research in econometrics applied to macroeconomics and finance. There is another important person in this master, Anne-Marie, who is a program manager of a master. And if you have any questions about bureaucracy, she is the solution. She is the best person to sort out all these kind of problem. If you decide to watch this presentation, it is because you would like to be part of our business school. UCD Smurfit Graduate Business School is not only very prestigious in Ireland, but at world level. So it's one of the best business schools all around the world, and there are a lot of important accreditation, especially in terms of finance. So it's the best place that you can find to study finance, and in particular a master in quantitative finance. So what is it, this master? So this master is a 12-month program divided in 3 trimesters, and this program is going to give you the idea about the finance connected to quantitative methods. So it's a best combination between finance and quantitative methods, mathematical modeling related to financial market and the pricing and aging of financial security. So with this master, we would like to give our student all necessary tools to understand not only finance and financial markets, but also the black box behind. So we would like to give a student all skills that are useful to learn how we can understand the mechanism of finance. So you're going to understand better what is it behind all these models, in particular considering mathematics, statistics, computational methods, and also coding. So we are going to learn some important language such as Python, R, MATLAB, that are useful in the job market. So just a quick overview of statistics. So as I said, this master is 12 months, but if you decide to be a part-time student, you can consider 2 years program. This master will start at the end of August of 2024, so be ready to be in the class and that period. And usually the class size is very small, between 20 and 30 students. So you can have the size as an advantage, especially for the second term modules, because they are just dedicated to this student in quantitative finance. In the first term, instead, you will attend your courses with your fellow enrolled in the other master in finance. So the class size will be bigger. In terms of expertise of a student, we can say that we have a student straight from the bachelor or student with some years of job experience. So we are very happy to welcome students with or without job experience. So it's not necessary. Our academic environment is very international. In terms of academic staff, you will find a professor from Ireland, from UK, from Italy, like myself, or from Germany, from India, from China, from New Zealand, from United States, from South America. So we welcome students from all around the world, and usually we have a very international class with more than half students from Europe, United States, Asia, and there is also a percentage from Ireland and UK. So we are very inclusive, and we would like to have more female students. And if you're a female student, so please consider to come to our master. Will be also perfect for female students. And the job market does not discriminate female candidates, so trust me. And finance, economics, and quantitative methods are very open, and we don't have any issues in terms of inclusiveness. So it's very important to state this point. In terms of objective about this program, so as I said before, this master is a combination between finance and computational methods, and we would like to suit our students to all skills that are useful to help them not only to get a job in terms of a finance field, but also to get some specific jobs in terms of quantitative finance. So this master is very useful to prepare people that could have a very strong connection with quantitative finance industry. And if you would like to know what are the main difference between the master in finance and master in quantitative finance, I can tell you that in a master in finance, you are going to learn some elements that are related to finance and a small amount of quantitative methods, because you don't need. But in quantitative finance, you are going to learn what is it behind the scene. That is very fascinating, because you are going to learn how you can apply mathematics, statistics, computational methods, econometrics. I teach econometrics, and also you are going to use machine learning to deal with big data set. So there are some more enforcement in terms of quantitative methods, but you will gain a lot, because you are going to get a very powerful tool to understand what's going on. So now you can say, okay, what is it the difference between a master in quantitative finance and financial mathematics? So at UCD, you can find financial mathematics, not at the business school. That is the first difference. So enrolled in this master in quantitative finance will be an advantage, because you will be in our business school environment. That makes you getting a lot of advantage, because there is a lot of support, especially for the job market, especially for the internship, for the career. So we are very happy to help a student to get the perfect job after the master. But also, if you study financial mathematics, you learn some theoretical methodology, you learn models, like in quantitative finance, but there are some examples in finance, okay? Instead, in quantitative finance, you will get a very important background in terms of finance, and you will be able to combine the two elements, quantitative method and finance. And also you will be able to work a lot with data, and you will have a unique profile that is more ambitious and is more attractive for the job market. So I'm going to talk about the job market. So it's one of the main reasons that you decided to get a master, because you would like to improve your knowledge, improve your CV. Learning is fantastic, but at the end, you would like to gain something. Not only a master, not only a degree, but you will get a job. Which kind of job you can get? Any job in finance will be fantastic for you. And you have advantage, a comparative advantage than other student in any finance master, in particular in master in quantitative finance, that give you the opportunity to be selected for job in as a quantitative analyst, risk manager, financial engineer, portfolio manager, algorithmic trader, also data scientist, because you're going to learn a lot about machine learning, credit risk analyst, consultant in financial service, regulatory affairs specialist, and also in fintech. You like a cryptocurrency, and of course with this master you can understand what is the black box behind the cryptocurrency. You would like to enter in a career in a policy institution, for example, in central banks, as a risk quantitative or financial economist. Will be fantastic. This master will be very helpful. You would like to pursue an academic career with a PhD and you would like to be a professor like me? You can do. There are several colleagues in our business school who got this master before a PhD. And it means that you have a very important background with this master that is very solid to get a fantastic job, but also to pursue an amazing academic career. So what do you expect in this year? So as I said, you will have a 3 trimester, the autumn, spring, and summer. In the first semester, as I said, you will attend courses with other students in the master in finance. You will attend quantitative methods for finance and financial analysis, capital markets instrument, and the first 6 weeks, because the term will be split in 6 weeks. The second 6 weeks, you will see myself in financial econometrics. You will attend financial theory and derivative security. Second term, you will have some specific courses just for your group of students: advanced derivative security, advanced statistical computing methods for finance, numerical methods, and you will attend portfolio risk management. So as you see, in this master, we would like to attract people with any kind of background. You study economics and finance, you're perfect. You study, for example, mathematics and statistics, engineering, you're perfect, because in the first term, we would like to provide you with all the basic, all ABC in finance and quantitative methods. During the summer term, you have to take ethics and financial service and fixed income security. After that, you can decide or to take an internship, and we are going to help you to get an internship. 8 weeks internship after the end of a lecture will be an important step to your future job market. Or you can decide to improve your knowledge with some specific courses, and you can select some options, or you can decide to write a research dissertation. So part-time student can split all these courses in 2 years. So in terms of internship, as I said, we would like to help you to get the best possible internship. There will be some some help from the career office, from the business school. So some examples of internship: Central Bank of Ireland, European Central Bank, but also private bank, AB, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, JP Morgan, Ernst Young, KPMG, Intesa Sanpaolo. So you can just get the best. If you would like, for example, to write a research project because you feel yourself that you would like to enter in a PhD program after master, you can do. Just contact a supervisor in that case. So there is a unique offer for you for master in quantitative finance. So in the first term, we are going to offer to attend a course with a student in the master MBA at Yale University. It will be remotely taught, in the sense that you will connected by Zoom. With professor will be in Yale, and you can replace a course with this master course. But pay attention that we are going to select student with some previous experience that make this course not very hard, because it's a very tough course. Okay, so if you are not selected, is I mean, it's not a big issue because you will enjoy other course. And usually we are going to, for example, replace a financial analysis course instead of this Yale course. But it's something that is just for a few students. But if you would like this experience, you can come to this master. So thanks very much for your attention. Now I'm quite sure that you will going to decide to join us to the best master at UCD. And if you have any question and curiosity and you need further explanation, just contact me by mail. So I hope to see you in September in our master program. See you. Thanks for listening.